I think this experience is innovative and creative. That is, first of all, Chinese education system is very different from the British one. So you can get in touch with the new classmates, new teachers, and new kinds of ways of having classes.
I had a very good time with the teachers and professors. They gave me opportunities to express myself freely in English, which is one of my favorite things. And the second thing is that I really enjoy the experiences in UK, because I've never been to UK before, and I do love the city. I love the buildings and I love the food, because you see this is a very multicultural environment here.
In this program, teachers encourage us to do a lot of group works, which is all very interactive.
Celine always have a case study in every lessons. She encouraged us to express our opinions, and for example, yesterday we have debates. Group A debate Group B, Group B and opposite Group A, and we can express our opinion clearly.
In China, the medical system is totally different from the UK. Like here, the concept of the hospital is very smaller than China. For example, when you're sick, the first thing is not going to the hospital like China, but the UK will go to their GP, the general practitioner, to seek for help, and they will give them a lot of advice, and maybe they can prevent the disease at the beginning instead of just go to the hospital and cure. So I think this is something that I think is very important. And
the most important thing I learned is the way we're thinking in the area of public health. It not only includes how to make policies, how to analyze database, and how to make use of websites, and how to write articles, but also includes, and what is more important is, how can we figure out the meaning of public health, and how can we just to contribute ourselves as different identifications. For example, I'm a student, I can do researches in schools or communicate with teachers and professors, but as a teacher, as Celine, what can she do? She can do some researches and put them out on websites and let more people know about public health. So we all have our own meanings in these specialties, and we should figure out what we can do and just work hard and find the meaning of ourselves too.
Just be confident and embrace everything that experienced. Be passionate about everything, and keep curious about everything. And this city will give you very unbelievable answers, whether it's good or bad, but it's an experience that you will always remember, I think.